Hi, this is AJ Jones with Heartland Cyclone Division. The 2018 stats just came out, and we're once again proud to announce that Cyclone is the #1 selling toy hauler in North America for the 8th year running. We couldn't be more proud of this accomplishment. We'd like to thank our loyal dealers and customers for continuously to make Cyclone the #1 selling toy hauler in North America. In light of your continued support, we'd like to launch a 52-part video series that shows all the different reasons and unique reasons that make Cyclone #1. Another great feature on the Cyclone is we offer 2 refrigerator options. What you see here is our residential refrigerator. You see this has huge storage. It's actually an unbelievable real residential refrigerator that also comes equipped with a built-in inverter and additional second battery as well. So it will actually run off the batteries. Or you have the additional option for the 18 cubic foot Norco gas electric refrigerator for those of you customers that prefer to dry can.